Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first recipe that I'll be posting on here for you guys. It's a creamy Cajun pasta. Like and subscribe because I'm going to be posting recipes every week. First, you're going to start off by taking 1 pound of chicken breast and cutting it up into small pieces. You're going to drizzle it with some avocado oil, and then you're going to do a teaspoon of salt, lemon pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and then I did a teaspoon of my favorite seasoning. It's the Poppin seasoning from All Day Flavors. I'll link it in my description. And the last seasoning is Cajun seasoning. I did a teaspoon to start off because I will be giving this to my kids, so I don't want it to be too spicy for them. Then you're just going to take your chicken and give it a nice toss. Then you're going to take a deep skillet, and this is going to be a 1-pot meal, so you're going to want to make sure it's big enough. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon more of avocado oil. Give this a nice stir and let it melt down, and then once it's melted down, you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of finely chopped onions and give that another stir. Once the onions have cooked down some, you're going to take your seasoned chicken and add it to the skillet. Once your chicken has cooked down some, you're going to go ahead and add 1 pack of smoked sausage. I am using the Butterball brand, and you're going to give that a stir, and then you're going to add 8 ounces of your favorite pasta. I'm using penne pasta. Once you've given that a mix, you're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream. At this point, you can taste and see if you need to add any more Cajun seasoning. I did end up using 1 more teaspoon of it just to give it a little more of a kick. Then you're going to go ahead and cover your pot and let this cook on low for 15 to 20 minutes until it's thickened up some. Then you're going to want to grate some fresh parmesan. Make sure you're using a fresh wedge of parmesan, not the stuff in the bag, because that stuff does not melt that great. And you're going to use half of the 5-ounce wedge. Give it a stir, and then you're just going to want to put the lid on and just let everything come together. After about 5 or 6 minutes, you're going to go ahead and take it off the heat, and it's ready to serve. This turned out delicious. It's nice and creamy, and it's super quick. It's a nice meal for those crazy busy weeknights. I went ahead and served this all on its own. It was plenty and filling, and then I just topped it with a little bit more freshly grated parmesan, some parsley, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week for the next video.